Super sunny. Walking down Sannomiya. Hey guys, as you remember in the last video, when I cut my hair, I also visited the Ikuta Shrine, the actual Sannomiya Shrine right here. It's not too far from Billy's actually. I want you guys to see. It's not too far from Watabachi. It's actually right diagonal from Daimaru. And it's quite close to the port of Kobe. The Sannomiya district is actually named after this shrine. There are 8 branches under the Ikuta main shrine. Tourists and locals visit all 8 as a tour called Hachimiya Meguri. And this shrine, Sannomiya, is the 3rd one. A female deity, Takitsuhima, is worshipped on the main sanctuary. She is known as a deity of traffic safety and is believed that she also gives people wisdom, good luck, for success in work and business. It's really tiny, it's really cute. They have some artifacts here. One is a chozubachi wash basin from the Edo period. As well as a lantern. Of course, they survived the Great Hanshin Awaji earthquake in 1995. They have a cannon here. This is a cannon that was used in the same era as the cannons used during the Kobe incident. This is a pretty famous location. In 1868, there was a procession of Bizen troops that were coming to the shrine. Bizen is a province in western Japan, a part of Okayama Prefecture that's next to Hyogo Prefecture. And at that time, there were foreigners that were living here, and one of them passed in front of them, and that was disrespectful to the Bizen troops. In terms of Japanese customs, it was very disrespectful. So one of the soldiers attacked the foreign sailors that were here. This conflict was resolved after the Japanese soldier Taki Zenzaburo committed suicide known as seppuku, which was one of the foreigners' demands in their negotiations. There is a monument dedicated to him at Nofukuji Temple, which is also the Hyogo Daibutsu Big Buddha Temple. Yeah, it's a pretty famous location and not too far from the center of everything. So. And I just decided you guys to check it out. Thank you guys for following, and if you guys have any questions about this or anything else, let me know in the comments. And definitely ring the bell just so you can always catch up on the latest epic adventures in Japan. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.